We're the creators of the Infinity Arm, the world's most versatile interchangeable arm system for cinema, still, and GoPro applications. Created by filmmakers and designed for filmmakers, the Infinity Arm is equipped with a rosette locking system, along with the feature of interchangeable tips. Made out of high-grade aluminum and steel, the Infinity Arm is made to last.
Hi, my name is Sage. I'm a director and cinematographer, co-owner of 27 Notch, and co-inventor of the Infinity Arm. The concept of the Infinity Arm was born out of frustration. While I was out in Southeast Asia on a shoot, I had one of my pre-existing cinema arms, and it basically fell apart on me in the middle of the field. And I was nowhere near any kind of shops or stores, any place that could supplement me and get me another arm or get me any replacement pieces. So I basically had to take my pre-existing arm and gaff tape it in order to get it to work for about 5 shooting days, which was a real huge issue.
I'm Aaron Nelson, one of the co-inventors of the Infinity Arm. At 27 Notch, we've been renting camera gear for the past 4 years, everything from Epics to Scarletts to F55s to 5Ds to C300s. And in this process, we've used a lot of gear on different shoots and helping people with different shoots. And there's pretty much 2 different styles of arms that people have been using, and both have their ups and downs. And we decided to make an arm that actually utilizes best of both worlds, as well as throwing in our 2 tidbits with what we think an arm should be. And we think the Infinity Arm here is that arm.
The Infinity Arm gives you the opportunity to easily mount cameras in places that might not have been accessible.
Hi, my name is Eric. I work here at 27 Notch. I'm also one of the co-inventors of the Infinity Arm. Working here at 27 Notch Rentals, we interact with a lot of filmmakers and different productions. We hear a lot of problems of gear going down and other problems on set. Coming up with a design for the Infinity Arm, we put a lot of research into the strength and durability. We decided to really try and push the limits of the arm and test it out on different rigs and sets and productions.
We're really close to bringing the Infinity Arm to market. The reason we're coming to you, the Kickstarter community, is we just need that final push to take us there and basically get us home. We really believe in this system. We're looking forward to using it. We're excited for you guys to use it, and we hope that you guys can help us bring it to life. Thanks for your time. We appreciate it.
Infinity Arm, cinema's toughest, most versatile camera accessory.